Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Ahrefs for backlink audits and growth plans, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Ahrefs for backlink audits and growth plans, start by visiting the Ahrefs website. If you do not already have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Once you have completed the registration, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. After verifying your email, return to the Ahrefs login page. Enter your credentials and log into your account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Site Explorer tab located on the top menu. In the Site Explorer search bar, enter the URL of the website you want to analyze. Click on the green search button to initiate the analysis. Once the data loads, look for the section that shows your backlinks. Click on the Backlinks tab to view a detailed list of incoming links. Review the data presented, noting the domains linking to you and their authority. To perform a backlink audit, export the list by clicking on the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format for the export, such as CSV or Excel. Now, navigate to the Content Explorer to identify potential growth opportunities. Enter relevant keywords related to your niche in the search bar. Click on Search to see popular content that is ranking in your area. Analyze the top performing pages and note the backlinks they are receiving. Develop a strategy to reach out to those linking domains for potential collaborations. Return to the Site Explorer for ongoing monitoring of your backlinks. Set up alerts for important changes to your backlink profile by navigating to the Alerts section. Input your URL and choose the metrics you want to track. Adjust frequency settings to receive updates on a schedule that works for you. With these steps, you are now equipped to activate Ahrefs for effective backlink audits and growth planning. Remember to regularly revisit your strategies as your website evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.